Everyone, now in this section we will discuss about logic gates. As we all know, different types of logic gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, and XNOR gate. And AND gate means multiply, and OR means adding, NOT means inverter, and NAND means AND plus NOT, and NOR, it is OR gate of inverter, and XOR and XNOR. XOR gate inverter is XNOR gate. Let us see this AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Here we will represent like this AND gate. AND gate we will represent like this. We have two inputs for AND gate and only single input output for AND gate. We will represent A dot B. Means this defines that multiplying these terms. And let us see this table how we are converting from AND gate. A, B, we get output this value. 0, 0, when we multiply we will get 0. 0, 1 we will get 0 value. And 1, 0 we will get, whether multiplying we will get 0 value. And 1, 1 we will get when multiplying 1 as AND gate. This we have two inputs and one output only. And let us see this OR gate. We have to add. So in OR gate we will represent like this. We have two inputs. Means here we have to add this. This represent OR representation. Let us see this. A, B as inputs and Y as output. When we add this to 0, 0 and we will get 0. 0, 1 we will add, we get 1. And 1, 0 we will get 1 when adding. And 1, 1 we will get 1, 1. And this one is carry and this is the output. And let us see this NOT gate. NOT gate means inverter. If we have 1 in input means this, in this we get 1 bar, so 0. In the same way 0 means 0 bar, we will get 1. In this way we will in NOT gate we will represent bubble of this single input and single output for this. Here see, A as input, Y as output. We will get 0. When we give input as 0, we will get 1 as output. When we give 1 as input and get 0 as output. And let us see NAND gate. It is the combination of both AND gate and inverter. Combining of these two, we will get NAND gate. And in different way, we will represent like this AND gate, and bubble of AND gate we will get NAND gate. Here A, B. This we will get, when multiplying we will get 0 and we apply bar of this, we will get 1. And multiplying when we get 0 and bar, we will get 1. 1, 0. 0 bar, we will get 1. 1, 1. Here we will get 1. So this bar means 0. And let us see, this is NAND gate, inverter of AND gate, opposite of this. And let us see NOR gate. This is OR gate, we keep bubble of this, we will get NOR gate. We have two inputs and single output, and while adding these two and keep bar, so 0, 0 we will get 1. Means when add this we will get 0 bar, so we get 1 here. And 0, 1 when we add this we will get 1 and keep this 0. In the same way we will get these values. 1, 1 as 1 we will get bar, here we get 0 value. And let see XOR gate. Here we will represent, this is OR gate and this is XOR gate. A, B as inputs and Y as output. Let us see this. In the this is A XOR B. We will represent A bar B plus A B bar. So let us see this. 0, 0 we will get 0 value. 0, 1 when we add we will get 1 and this we will get as 1. And here we will see 1, 1 and the A and B both inputs are same, means we will get output as 0. This is XNOR gate, opposite of XOR gate. So when we have same inputs we will get output as 1, and different inputs we will get 0. This is a representation of XNOR gate. We have two inputs and single output. These are gates, logic gates. We will represent like this: AND gate, OR gate, in the same way NOT gate. Like this we will represent logic gates. Thank you for watching this.